Now moving to the another heart attack that is given by the leaked satellite images that expose the massive damage to the US bases. Yes, this development, it has now shocked the military analysts and that too worldwide. Ladies and gentlemen, leaked satellite images is reportedly revealing damage far bigger than many Americans were initially told. According to investigations based on verified satellite images, Iranian strikes may have damaged or destroyed at least 228 military structures and assets across 15 US bases in West Asia. Can you read that carefully? 228 military structures across 15 American bases. Now, this is not just symbolic damage anymore. This is a direct hit on America's military infrastructure across West Asia. While the reported targets include hangars, radar system, Patriot missile defense, THAAD defense system, fuel depots, and air shelters for the aircrafts, along with personal facilities. These are spread across Bahrain, Kuwait, in fact, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, the UAE, and suddenly the image of total American military dominance in that region, it is being questioned publicly. Reports claim that at least 7 US service members, they were not anymore, while more than 400 they were reportedly injured during the attack. Analysts, they describe the strike as highly coordinated and disturbing precise. You know, that word matters, precise, because precise means intelligence. Precise means planning. Precise means Iran may be studying America's regional vulnerabilities far more deeply than anybody ever expected. And now critics are asking whether Washington downplayed the true scale of the damage just to avoid political panic or not. Because satellite images, they do not speak emotionally, right? They simply show destruction. Burned facility, damaged infrastructure, in fact destroyed military assets, and those visuals, they are now raising serious questions about America's preparedness, and that too inside one of the world's most dangerous regions. Ladies and gentlemen, now enters the Arab world again to this whole story. Recently, Saudi Arabia has shocked the entire United States since it has blocked the military plans. That's right, perhaps the most stunning geopolitical twist came not from Iran this time, but from America's own ally, Saudi Arabia. According to explosive reports citing the US official, Riyadh reportedly refused to allow American warplanes to use Saudi airspace or Prince Sultan Ali Base for military operations against Iran under what was reportedly called Project Freedom. And this reportedly happened even after direct conversation between the US President Mr. Donald Trump and Saudi Crown Prince Mr. Mohammed bin Salman. Can you think about how dramatic this moment really is? For decades, Saudi Arabia has been one of America's closest strategic partners in West Asia. American weapons, American defense system, American military cooperation. But now, Saudi Arabia appears to be signaling caution. Reports say that Riyadh refuses to fully participate in escalating plans against Iran, refusing regional instability, attacks on oil infrastructure, and uncontrollable escalation across the Gulf. And this reportedly kind of shocked even other Gulf allies, because if Saudi Arabia hesitates, the entire American regional strategy, that becomes complicated. Then enters the Strait of Hormuz here. Hormuz is already under pressure, the world knows about it. Shipping routes remain tense, oil markets are nervous, and now Washington may be realizing that even allies are worried about where this conflict could lead next. Perhaps this is why Project Freedom, it was reportedly paused less than 36 hours later. Now, if we see officially, then Trump claims that there was great progress in talks with Tehran here. But behind the scenes, the whole West Asia may have just revealed how fragile America's coalition really is.